Brooklyn, New York is hot. Not because of the temperature, it's a hot place for development. And now developers want to build around the Gowanus Canal. One of the most polluted waterways in all of New York, it borders the burgeoning neighborhoods of Red Hook, Park Slope, and Carroll Gardens. A homeowner who lives 2 blocks from the canal learned how bad it was after moving in.
We used to grow tomatoes, and then somebody said, "Are you out of your mind? You don't want to eat out of the soil that's anywhere near this canal." There's been a lot of attention on the Gowanus recently as a place to build and to rezone.
The best way to understand the canal is to be in it. Gennaro Brooks Church, a neighborhood eco-builder, gave us an up-close and personal look.
When we go canoeing out here after a heavy rain, you see the runoff from the sewage.
Over 2 miles long, the canal used to serve as a massive transport hub for shipping.
It's not unlike many industrial waterways. There was power plants, manufacturing plants, and it was a means of transportation. In addition, the sewers led out into the canal like they did into all waterways.
The primary issues are with rain overflow and the sediments at the bottom of the canal.
The issue of sewage and overflow. There is a flushing tunnel that has been in disrepair in the last few years. The whole sewage situation has not really been addressed by the city.
They have basically what they call black mayonnaise. It's just this sludge. It looks like black mayonnaise. It's not one ingredient. It's a mixture of all sorts of nasty ingredients.
New York State asked the Environmental Protection Agency to declare the waterway a Superfund site, which designates it as an abandoned hazardous waste site. That's a label that developers here would like to avoid.
Superfund was enacted about 30 years ago. EPA's been nowhere and not been heard. The city has been active in trying to undertake the remediation. Utility companies have already signed agreements with the state to undertake the cleanup of the contaminants that they have caused in the canal.
Superfund or not, for many here, the canal is a special place that they are committed to reviving. For Assignment Earth, this is Bruce Burkhardt.